it's Yvonne here. I just recently filmed a video in my YouTube, so if you want to go check out that video, the link is in my bio. I am under at Luxury Handbag Cheapskate on there, just like here, so go check me out. But I said I was going to do the continuation of that video here on my TikTok to show you the reveal. So if you don't know, I went and got one of these really cute little sneak peek grab bags of Fiesta medals from Monarch Trophy Studios. Yes, Monarch Trophy Studios has these really cute little grab bags for $10 and you get 10 medals. And I got an idea to do something. So Monarch, if you're watching, this was my idea. Monarch included in their little mystery bag one of their cute little medals, which was this one here, and I have it fully shown in my other video. And this is the Monarch Munchkins Fiesta Edition little comics book medal from 2024 of last year. So this is super cute. So of course, this little medal had two little things attached here at the bottom. If you saw the other video, then you know what that was. And of course, I got an idea when I saw that video to do something. And here's the information from Monarch. If you want to know like where they are and stuff, and you want to check out their website, go ahead. They do sell medals and stuff, I believe, on their website as well. But I'm not sure, so just go ahead and check them out. But also, Monarch does have this particular item that I am sharing with you, because they do make earrings like the ones I made. And yes, that is what I made. I made a pair of earrings. And Monarch actually sells earrings that are really, really pretty. I believe they are made by David Durbin, if I'm not mistaken. I believe he created them. So if you're in the Fiesta community or in San Antonio, then you know who that is. But definitely go check them out. And what I did was I made a cutesy pair of earrings. So let me just show them to you. But let me show you what I used to make them. Of course, I used just these little earring hooks, which you can get anywhere. Mine just happened to be from the Goodwill Outlet bins, because that's where I found mine. So I picked them up because I got plenty for my money. And then these little key ring hooks, little rings, I did buy these at the Walmart because they're cheaper there, and you look at how many I got. So I was using these for something else I had to do. So I already had these on hand, and I figured these would work great for the project. So that is what I used. And then of course I defaced my really cute little medal, but I made earrings, and here they are. Yay! Yes, I made these really cute little earrings. This was the little dangle that was hanging on the medal. It was a little piñata. How cute is this little piñata? Look at that. And all I did, as you can see there, is I just put the ring, the key ring on there, just to extend and make it a little bit longer. And then I put the little ring, and I just used some nose pliers my dad had to tighten them. So that was that. Super cute. I love them. And they're not too heavy. So that's great. And the next one is this really cute little chicken on a stick with a jalapeno. Missing the bread, yes, but definitely a little chicken on a stick with a jalapeno. Super cute. Like I said, these are kind of very, very good quality metal, but they are also not too heavy for your ear. So they are really cute. So I'm just showcasing this because this is an idea I had, and I thought maybe somebody might have that same, might want to do that same idea with maybe some of their Fiesta medals if they have any dangling charms on them, because this is definitely a cute idea to make. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this little video. And definitely check out my other video to see what Fiesta medals were in my little grab bag for $10, because I definitely got some cute ones. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to go to my YouTube and subscribe. Adios. Happy Fiesta. Viva Fiesta.